installing a Wellness Hub, it is important to first create an account, then assign a Wellness Hub to it. Creating an account can be done by clicking the Add button from the Accounts menu. Then enter the first and last name of the new account. Take a moment to verify the language, measurement units, and time zone are correctly set. Finally, if available, put in the postal code, which will enable weather information to be correctly shown on both the Wellness Hub as well as on the user portal. When all of this has been done, click Add New Account. You will see the account has been created and is currently tagged as incomplete. Clicking on the account reveals 3 yellow boxes, which we can think of as a to-do list to get this account up and running. First, we need to review the account profile. We can add a profile picture to make the account more recognizable. We can also optionally include the date of birth and gender. You can also optionally include address information as well. Once all this has been entered in, please scroll to the bottom and click Update. Next, we will need to assign a Wellness Hub. Click on Assign Smart Camera to bring up a list of available Wellness Hubs. Please choose the hub that you intend to install with the account. Once you have chosen, click Assign Smart Camera. Lastly, we need to assign a staff member to manage the account. Click Assign Staff to bring up the list of staff members. Locate and click the staff member you would like to assign, then click Select Staff. Then we select the Manage Permission tier, and finally, click Assign Staff. Now that the Wellness Hub has been assigned, we can make sure it's properly connected. First, locate your primary video device. This could be a set-top box from your cable or satellite company, or a streaming device such as a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. When you have identified your primary video device, unplug the HDMI cable from the TV and plug this cable into the hub's input port. Then, plug a second HDMI cable into the hub's to TV port, and plug the other end of that cable into the TV's HDMI port number 1. Finally, ensure that your hub is connected to power using the provided USB-C cable along with the wall plug. Now that the Wellness Hub and video device are properly connected, we can move on to the first time install. First, change the active source of your TV to HDMI port number 1 if it is not already. You should see a blue screen instructing you to pair your remote control. Simply press and hold the back and home buttons until the red LED starts to blink, and then you can release. You will know when the remote has successfully paired when you hear the Wellness Hub play a tone and switch to the language selection screen. Simply choose the desired language by using the directional buttons and then press OK. Next, you will be directed to the Wi-Fi setup screen. Simply choose one of the methods to connect to your network. I will choose Scan, which will display all connectable networks within the range of the Wellness Hub. Once I pick a Wi-Fi network, I will need to press OK to bring up the on-screen keyboard needed to enter the Wi-Fi credentials. Once the password has been entered, I will click the arrow here. We will see it connect to the Wi-Fi network and report back when the connection was successful. At this point, your hub will search and download any updates if they are available. If you download and install an update, please wait for your hub to install and reboot before continuing with the install process. The next step will be to choose where the hub is located. This identifies the hub by where it is located within the home. The following step is TV control. Here we teach the hub how to switch between live TV and the hub's UI. Because we have a video device plugged into the input port, all we need to do is click Next and the process completes, and then click Done. If you're connecting to a Wellness Hub in a way where there is no video device connected to the input port, simply click Skip for now, and then later reference the video titled Advanced TV Control Setup. The next screen is letting us know to remove the lens cover on the front of the Wellness Hub. Simply pull the exposed plastic tab and it will remove easily. Next, we will have the option to configure the default position of the camera. If your client tends to sit in a specific location, you can configure the hub to focus on that spot by default when a call starts. To set the camera's default view, click Adjust. From here, use the arrows on the remote to move the green rectangle to the desired location and then press Done. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the first time install of your home site Wellness Hub. Thank you.